Hello everybody, coming from Central Florida, December 2023. I think today is the 20th, it is a Wednesday, and going around just doing little stuff in the garden. I noticed a few uh-ohs. So last week we had a storm come through here and we got a pretty good amount of wind. And I found some uh-ohs from the wind I'm not happy about. Let's go take a look. On the way, we'll stop at a few things. We have beans and tomatoes. They survived. Green onions. Dragon fruit. There we have some papaya. There's a cardinal right there. See him? See how close he'll let us get. Sometimes they let me get pretty close. They're quite used to me being around. I just go slow. Oh, that was it. We have some carrots, some dinosaur kale. I just started this. Gonna try some collards. Some peppermint, some more dinosaur kale, some more dinosaur kale, and some rainbow Swiss chard. I'm having a hard time getting it to grow. Some carrots. We've been eating those carrots. And one of the first, I hear you in there. There he is up there. He's squawking at me because he wants to eat. Alright, I will go away. First is my trellis here is snapped on the top, as you can see, so this has to be fixed. I have to fix that. Oh, see, he's back over there. He just wanted me to leave. Alright, we won't disturb you. So then if we start going over here, this is a crepe myrtle tree, and I intertwined a bougainvillea, and I just love the two of them together. In the summer, so lush and beautiful. So over here, if you can see, one of my bougainvillea branches that used to stick way up top in the tree came down. This is a big branch. This is all down. It was all up. Look at the beautiful flowers. Are they not beautiful? He's still squawking at me. He's back over there though. But look at it. So all that came down. That was way up there. So what I will do is I will cut it and I will use this to make another trellis. That is what I've been building my trellises out of. They work very well. We have some tomatoes. Look at this collard here. I love it. It's beautiful. It's so big. Look how big it's gotten. Everything's going okay in the little mini forest. And then I noticed my cherry tree. No, the wind blew it over. I'm not happy. I've only had, look at it, it's beautiful. It just started to really start growing. I've had it going on 2 years now, so it was really fixing to settle in. I'm not happy because it has to start all over again, so I'm debating. I think it has to come out of the pot now. It's a pretty big pot, but so I'm debating. I just expanded the front of the little forest over there, as you can see. So I'm debating whether I should just put it over there. I'll have to wait a couple more years before it produces any fruit again, but because it's doubled in size. Just these past few months is really, it seems to like this cold, but And I've been getting little bitty flowers. but nothing, no cherries yet. Not happy about this. This is the, what's this cherry? You can hear the birds squawking over the bird feeder. It sounds like titmouses. Moringa tree. If you can see it, I don't know. So yeah, I'm not happy about that. And look at the size of these papayas. They've slowed down from the winter. They were ripening a lot faster. And you can see the cold is causing spots on some of them. But that's alright. They haven't gotten too bad. Still eat them. There's a ton of them back in there. So what do you think? Should I move it? Should I move my cherry tree? I just extended this island. So I can add, I was going to add a new tree there, get something new. I've got some beauty berries I want to add in there. I was going to do today. American beauty berries. I got a hold of some little starter plants. I'm thinking right there, right next to, that's a compost bucket I should say, in the ground to help feed the soil and the papayas there, because there's a lot of papayas. There's one there. There's one there. I had to put something heavy on them, otherwise the raccoons and armadillos or possums, they like to eat it. If I don't cover it with something heavy, they'll move it off because they've done it before. Yeah. It's a little papaya starting. Yeah, so I think I'll put it there. I don't know. I don't really want to disrupt it and move it, but it's disrupted. It can't stay like that. Should I just stake it up? I don't like how loose it is in here. Yeah, see, that's way too much. I don't know. I can't add any soil. Could rot the trunk. I don't know what to do. What do you think I should do? Anybody have any suggestions? Just stake it up and let it reroot itself, or replant it. I don't know. If anybody has any suggestions, please let me know. We have an unhappy bird in the tree over there. It sounds to me like a titmouse. Hear him? We get a lot of titmouses. Oh yeah, I see him up there. He's a squawking away. Oh, there's somebody in the bird feeder, see? Oh, the cardinal, he's back in the bird feeder and the titmouse wants it. See, there's a chain of command. See, there he goes. Now he's in it. So the titmouses will not mess with the cardinals. Not much messes with the cardinals except for the blue jays. Now the black-capped chickadees, though, the titmouses will not let the black-capped chickadees come around, or any finches. They chase them off. And I had several bird feeders up there, but the lovely squirrels have busted them all up. Yep. They found a way to climb the brick wall, get over there, and bust them up. Look at all those cucumbers I did not plant. They just started growing in my little shampoo ginger plot. Alright, peeps. Oh, look at them up there. They're so funny, these little titmouses. They're fast. They love this tree. So many birds love this tree. Crepe myrtle. I haven't cut it in 3 years now, and I'll never cut it again. Alright, thanks for watching. See ya.